Go to Cheetah AI and click on Get Started. Click on Continue with Google. Log in with any of the accounts. After logging in, go to Pricing. Click on any of the plans. Then you will get a 7 days free trial. Don't have to pay anything. Just log in, continue to payment, click on UPI, and then you can start using your Cheetah AI. So yeah, after you have downloaded it, the zip file, you just need to extract that zip file and then go here. Just click on open folder, and it's like this is the zip file I extracted. Open this zip file. Click trust. I trust the authors. Okay, so this is just a VS made up on VS Code. So as VS Code works, Cheetah AI works in the same way. So after this, um, just need to go here, new terminal, do npmi. So it installs all the dependencies. It will take some time installing it, depending on the network. Yeah, so all the dependencies installed. Let's run the project. Go to this link. Here you can see the website. It's running in your device now. So after this, you just need to go here, and let's say I want to change something. um, let's say here I want to rather than Sonic AI, let's say change it to something like, so you don't need to do anything, or agent will automatically read all the files, find the where to edit, and then it will edit it out. So it has updated the navbar. We can, let's see, the navbar got updated. Yeah, see, music AI. So you don't need to do anything. It will find and edit what you want. This is how GTA works.